Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today we will see how to implement simple dice game in Python. So here we are going to use Python's random module. So first we will import that module, import random, and from this random module we are going to use randint function to generate a random number between 1 to 6. So here I am going to use infinite loop while true. So this is infinite loop, means always condition is true. So here I will take a response from user, response. So in this response I will ask user, do you want to continue the game? Do you want to continue the game, right? Then user will enter as y or n, right? And we will accept that in response. So, and this response I will check if response, whatever the response I got, if it is no, if it is equal to so we will convert this into uppercase. We don't know, sometimes user will enter lowercase n also. So if response dot upper is equal to capital N, means it is no, so then we will break this loop, right? Means this is our logic, means here we are asking user, do you want to continue the game? If user enters n, means that person doesn't want to continue, and if that person wants to continue, we will continue, means he or she will press y. Then if user enters y, then what we will do, we will generate our random number. That is, in dice game we know that 1 to 6 randomly numbers are generated. So here we will take num is equal to random dot randint. So it will generate a random integer number. So we want between 1 to 6, and we will print this on the console, right? So in this way we can implement this, right? Means here random number will get generated between 1 to 6. 1 and 6 is also included in these numbers, and we will print that on the console. And once user will stop running the game, or user press no, so then we will break this loop and we will come out of this loop, and we will print thank you here, thank you, right? So now in this way we have implemented this simple dice game. Now we will run this. So now here I will press S. So now it has generated 1, right? So then I will again press S. So it has generated 4. Then press 3, then 6. So it is taking space also. It is just breaking when we will press N, that is no. So I will give here S, that is 6, S, that is 3. Then I will print here. I have given here no, that is small n I have given. So now it has broken that loop and it has printed thank you, right? So in this way you can implement simple dice game using this Python's random module. If you like this video, please like it, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.